right, good morning. A little bit of how I cook eggs. So I like to get them out and get them warmed up. All in one cup allows me to put them into the pan at the same time so they cook equally. And letting them warm up allows them to cook a little bit more tenderly. So we'll let that warm up a little bit. A little sip of delicious kombucha. A little butter for the pan if you don't want to use bacon grease or something else. Doesn't take much. Like my flame. Once our butter's melted, get it all spread around and throughout the pan. Better to have a little too much than to not have enough. When it's completely melted and starting to bubble a little bit, and you're ready to pour your eggs in. Sometimes I even will take a plate or something and just set it over. Helps cook the eggs on the top as well as the bottom, get the white starting to get solidify a little bit so that when you go to flip them, they're nice and firm. Plus it heats up your plate for when you're getting ready to eat. Make sure your heat's not too high. We don't want it bubbling too much. We want to cook them slow. So on here it looks like down around 3.5 or 4. You can see the eggs slip around nicely, but the whites aren't quite firm enough yet. So we'll just slow that down just a little bit. Don't want to scorch those whites. Then when it's time, check to make sure your eggs are moving in the pan nice and good, and get a good flip on it like that. Might even add a little salt and pepper now. Give them another few minutes on there, another minute or so on there. And there you go. Slip it out on the plate. Booyah!
Sweet.